Cornerstone Building Brands is the largest manufacturer of exterior building products in North America, servicing the low-rise non-residential and the residential new home construction and repair and remodel markets. As the #1 manufacturer of vinyl siding, windows, and metal accessories, as well as North America's top choice in metal roofing, wall systems, and insulated metal panels, we are uniquely positioned in the industry to enhance the value we provide to our customers and partners. Our building solutions are the cornerstone of the communities we serve. From hospitals, grocery stores, shipping and storage facilities, to municipal buildings, schools, offices, and homes, every building we help create positively contributes to communities where people live, work, and play. Our comprehensive portfolio of industry-leading residential building products is second to none. We manufacture more than 20 products used to build homes and are a one-stop shop for nearly everything you would find on the home exterior, including windows, siding, stone, shutters, fence and rail, trim, and other home accessories. For the low-rise, non-residential end markets, we produce exterior building products, including metal roof and wall panels, insulated metal panels, and roll-up doors. We also offer complete solutions for engineered metal buildings, including the coated metal coil and components needed for the entire building envelope. And with more than 100 locations throughout our robust manufacturing and supply chain network, we are strategically located to meet the needs of customers across North America. But we are not stopping there. Our forward-looking strategy is focused on operational excellence and investing in our people and our business, creating a foundation that drives future growth. And this growth is guided by our core values of safety, integrity, innovation, and teamwork. Our teams are relentlessly committed to creating great building solutions that enable businesses to grow and communities to thrive. Working together with our customers and partners and staying focused on building a better future is how we'll continue to be an industry leader and remain a reliable exterior building products partner for our customers as we positively contribute to the communities where we live, work, and play.